Hi, and welcome. In today's video guide, I'll walk you through one of the most powerful features of Talent Pick AI, the AI-powered resume summarizer. Let's get started. Open your browser and sign in to Talent Pick AI. Once inside, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can access the different features of the platform. Today, we'll focus on the AI Summarizer tool. From the left side menu, click on AI Tools, then select Resume Summarizer. Next, upload a candidate's resume. The file can be in Word or PDF format with a maximum file size of 2 megabytes. After uploading, you can remove the file if you selected the wrong one and upload the correct file instead. Once the correct file is uploaded, click the Generate Summary button. Talent Pick AI will use its AI algorithm to extract key information and generate a concise candidate summary. This helps recruiters save time because they no longer need to read through long resumes to quickly understand a candidate's experience, skills, and qualifications. You can export the summary and share this file directly with the hiring manager for final review. And that's just one of the many useful features available in Talent Pick AI. That's all for this guide. Thank you for watching.